Hi there folks, Andrea Cox here, intuitive healer, holistic wellness coach, here in my kitchen with all of you. Quick little pre-workout snack for all of you. Of course it's raw, of course it's vegan. I'm re-recording it right now for you because I think it's something that'll really help you. You know, one of the things I mentioned on that video is a lot of us have gone through trials and tribulations in our life dealing with addictions, whether it be food, alcohol, what have you. And I think it's important to remember that live food, live body, right? Dead food, you know where that leads. So it's important to remember this in our day-to-day life, and it's important to fuel our bodies appropriately. So it's late at night here, it's actually dark outside, and I'm going to go to the gym because I haven't been to the gym in about a week, and I love to eat this delicious cookie dough consistency treat right before I go to the gym. Now, I used to be a fitness model in my 20s. I'm actually in my late 40s, and can we talk about ripe bananas for a second? And I've always worked out at a gym, and when I take too much time off, I just don't feel right. So unripe banana, ripe banana. A lot of you are going to be like, Andrea, that is too ripe. That's actually disgusting. No, not at all. So here I have my secret ingredient, which is actually diatomaceous earth. I'm going to pour a little out like so, and I'm going to open one of these bananas, and I'm just going to kind of squeeze it in there, one of these overly ripe bananas, which really gives it the consistency, the creamy kind of cookie dough consistency. And I'm just going to kind of mash that in like so. Now let's talk diatomaceous earth. You're going to want to get food grade diatomaceous earth, and it's really good for the hair, skin, and nails. My hair grows like a weed, and I don't think it's because of the diatomaceous earth. However, diatomaceous earth is full of minerals that we do need. Okay, now I don't usually like to put sugar on my sugar. However, a little monk fruit is delicious on this. I'm gonna mix that up, and you can see it already has this thick cookie dough consistency. Now, I'm just gonna take a couple chocolate chips and very gently sprinkle a few in. Voila, I have got a nice treat pre-gym. Delicious. And you can even, I usually do 2 to 3 bananas because I'm a big girl, but you can do a larger amount. You know, if you're a guy, and you want a great snack before the gym, do 5, 6 bananas. If you are a tinier lady and you want to do 1 banana and just have it as a treat, great. Everything in moderation is key. 2 to 3 bananas seem to be the trick for me, but again, I eat upwards of 2,000, 2,500 calories a day. So I'm a very big girl, I'm tall, and I stay pretty lean on a very high carbohydrate diet. Folks, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. You know, I spoke out about something 8 years ago, and a video just got removed last week, and it's something I feel very passionate about. It's and the video's gone, and I have the opportunity to re-upload it. I may do that, I may not, but I wanted to just say, if you are supporting truth tellers like myself, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. I see you. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Subscribe to my spiritual channel at The Detox Intuitive. Be well. You know what? I almost forgot. Happy, happy dance. I'm gonna do the happy dance. Be well. Bye.